Rosemary is rich in powerful components: essential oil, rosmarinic acid, flavonoids. It is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and fluidifying. It is useful against coughs, but also in case of digestive disorders, diarrhea, spasms, flatulence, or rheumatism, and it has diuretic properties. In the 17th century, it was venerated by the Egyptians and Romans. Queen Isabella of Hungary would have been able to regain a second youth with the help of rosemary. In her 70s, she claimed to have an angel recipe. Rosemary is an evergreen plant. The shrub is 50 centimeters to 1.5 meters high and grows all around the Mediterranean. The flowers are shaped like spikes. Rosemary can make migraine attacks worse. Be careful, the essential oil can have convulsive effects. The plant is contraindicated in children under 6 years of age, and in pregnant or breastfeeding women. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more video and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.